Good morning, students. This is Mr. Dow. I'm happy to announce that I finally got my computer all set up with my microphone, so my voice should be crystal clear. Sadly, I actually don't have a webcam with this computer, but that doesn't matter. You don't need to see my face. Okay, that being said, today I'm going to introduce you guys to a new resource you should be using not only in my math class, but other math classes as well as your English classes for ACT practice. Now, if you are not aware, we have established a schedule where every Friday you are going to be working on ACT practice. And they are rolling out Winward Academy as the resource that we are going to be using. So right here, actually, I'm on the home page of Winward Academy. That's winwardacademy.com. And no, if you don't want to type that in, I will link it in the Google Classroom. So winwardacademy.com, and this is what the homepage looks like. You are going to want to go to login, okay? When you log in, I have been told that the sign-in information, that means your email address and passwords that you are going to use, that we have already given those to either you or a parent through email or phone call. If that is not the case, please either text me at 832-244-5095 or just message me in the Google Classroom or come to my office hours from 9 to 10. If you have any questions, please don't freak out. Just calmly approach me and we'll figure it out, okay? Now, your email address is going to go here. Of course, mine is here. Your password is going to go in there. Then you're going to hit login. Now, this might be overwhelming, okay? And it might look a little bit differently for you than it does mine because I have the teacher version, you have the student version. But I believe on the left, we are going to see the same thing, okay? I want you to go to lessons, okay? And of course, my class is math, so you're going to click math. I really like how at the very top, they have a math formula sheet, okay? And if I go to that, you have to log in again. Okay, let's try that one more time. I really like how they have a math formula sheet. There we go. It looks quite a bit overwhelming, so let's not worry about that right now. Now, if you notice, frequency means the amount that it's going to be tested on the ACT. So I really like f of x and composite functions. I think that is a great place to start, okay? So I actually want you to go here. You have a handout, and it should open in PDF. You have a handout that you can actually take notes on as you watch the video through this lesson, okay? If you don't have access to print this out, what I'd highly recommend doing is anytime they have open spaces like this for you guys to write, I would just use another piece of pencil and a paper to write down these questions so that you can answer and take down notes yourself, okay? I really do think that taking notes is the best way to learn math. That being said, if you don't have a printer, again, you gotta improvise with pencil and a piece of paper. But they have a handout here, okay, and all you have to do is left click it. They have a video lesson that you can hit play. And it's going to take some time to load. Let's see. Let's try this one more time. Oh, sick. There we go. So if you hit play, okay, we have like an introduction video and we also have the lesson. Please do not skip the introduction video. The introduction is the appetizer to the lesson, okay? Okay, and you're going to see Miss Jennifer Winward, PhD. She's going to teach you, okay? But notice how this right here, notice how it's pretty much the same as the worksheet. Very intentional, okay? So, very easy for you guys to follow along and take notes. It's 29 minutes long. Something I really like about this is you can just pause whenever. You can also actually, I don't know if you guys have this function, but I am able to change the speed, so I can actually play this faster if I want to, but let's try one. And of course, you can full screen. So you're going to watch this entire lesson, and you're going to write down everything that she writes, okay? By the end of the lesson, your piece of paper should be filled out, and I want your paper to look exactly like hers, okay? Now, let's say I'm done with the video, okay? Beautiful face right there. I'm going to exit out, and what we're going to do is we're going to go back to math. We're going to go back to f of x and composite functions. Now, you are not going to see this download for Illuminate Student Data. That's mine because I'm a teacher. But what y'all are going to do is y'all are going to click these 34 keys. You're going to click the green thing, okay? And then you're going to complete the questions. And let's say, let me try to do this in my head real quick. 6 minus 25 is 19. Yay, it's right, okay? So for you guys, let's say I get it wrong. Let's just put this random answer. Okay, I got it wrong. What I want you to do when you get it wrong is you can hit teach me. And there's a small video that you can play that'll actually teach you and walk you through the problem. Okay? I want you to complete all 34 of these questions. Okay? Once you complete those 34 questions, you just enter it to check the answers, and you won't have to submit anything. Once you do that, you are done. Okay? Now, again, I know this is a new resource. I know it may be complicated. I'm going to summarize the steps one more time, okay? Let's go to winwardacademy.com. Okay? We're going to go to the top right. You're going to log in. Your email address, please don't type in mine. Your email address. So your email goes here. And you aren't going to see this, but I'm going to type password. And your password goes here, of course. And once you log in, oh boy. And once you log in, it'll take, you want to go to lessons. And for my class, of course, we're going to go to math. This week, we are doing f of x and composite functions. You can look at the handout by left-clicking this, okay? And you should see it, okay? And then you can left-click the blue button for the video. And again, you're going to watch both parts, both the intro and f of x and composite functions. Whoop. Once you do that, whoop, you're going to complete the 34 questions. Again, guys, if you have any questions, please just text me or go to the Google Classroom, okay? And we will figure it out. I think it is very important that you guys get to know this resource because you are going to be using this at least every Friday, okay? All right. This is Mr. Dow. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Friday, okay?